My name is Suhas Labde. I'm Managing Director, Syntrans F2F Logistics, having head office in Mumbai. This is my first time attending Burning Desire program. Even though I have attended some online programs of Mr. Pawar, this was the first time. And he really touched the pain areas. We could correlate to what we are facing in our company from time to time. And the energy as well as the clarity of thoughts of Mr. Pawar was amazing.
My name is Melwin Lobo. I am partnering with Suhas R in Syntrans F2F Logistics. Wonderful 48 hours we had. Something very innovative, very new for me. I know all of these things of my 22 years of experience, but putting words to these actions, to these thoughts was done in these 48 hours. Big takeaway for me is the emotion to economics. Absolutely, there's so many takeaways, but implementation is the issue. So I would take these two things: the environments, the skill sets, how to. My retirement speech was something which I really appreciated, which was done yesterday. Excellent. No words to explain the feeling which I have, and I hope I would implement all these things in my daily routine when I go to the real world of mine, and something I could implement in my home, and I could transfer this knowledge base to my children and to my wife. Thank you for your wonderful support system with the whole team of SIL. I thank you for the wonderful hospitality you extended us, feeling at home. I don't know, this was 48 hours without my phones and TV, and I felt, yeah, it is possible to live without these gadgets. Thank you. God bless.